Okay, in this video, we're going to plant hollyhocks and zinnias right together in the same flower bed. And the zinnias will be taller, so you want them in the hollyhocks are taller, so you want them in the back. And this is where we're going to put them at, right here. So the first thing you want to do is make a nice hole for the hollyhocks. We started them last year from seed, and so we're just moving them over here. So just dig it up and keep the dirt balls together as much as you can, and carry them over and just slide it off of your shovel into the hole. Break up the dirt ball as low as you could, and then just get in there at the same ground level as it was growing before you dug it up. And then I'm digging a hole for a second clump of hollyhocks to put here. And just same as before, just slide it off with the shovel into the hole that you already dug. So here I'm just digging up the row for the next row of zinnias. And first thing you have to do is just dig up the soil, and then I turn it over with my pitchfork and break up the clods as much as I can with the pitchfork after just turning it over. And I'm just turn it over with the pitchfork and break up the clods as much as possible. And then just get your garden rake and rake out the clumps of dirt and the dirt clods. Just make it as smooth as possible for your seeds. And this is my garden hoe. Just make a V-shaped furrow to put the seeds in. Zinnia seeds are medium size, I would say. So you don't want them quite on the top, but maybe just have an 1/8 or 1/4 inch of dirt over them. And so it's just a V-shaped furrow. Here's the seeds right here, how the hollyhocks have grown there in the background. And here, just sprinkle the seeds into your V-shaped furrow like this. And I just make them nice and thick rather than trying to save them for another year. If I don't use them, I just put them in there until they're all gone. Just sprinkle them all in there. With my garden hoe, I just use the flat and just gently tamp it down. If these were really big seeds like beans or something, I might even push some dirt off the sides of the furrow into it. But with nice medium-sized seeds like zinnias, I just tamp down a little bit so not too much of the dirt goes into the furrow, and just gently tamp it down with the flat side of the hoe. And that's it. Now I'm just sprinkling it, and I'm going to wet these seeds every day until they germinate. Okay, if you thought that was a good video, can you please subscribe and like this video? I would really appreciate it. It helps me out. And thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye. So basically, all you do is just transplant your hollyhocks over there and just dig up a clump and put it in a hole that you dug first at the same ground level. And then next you turn over the soil for the zinnia seeds. Go back over it again with your pitchfork, breaking up the clods. Then you get your garden rake out and just rake it smooth, rake out all the clods. And then here's your zinnia seeds. Just make a V-shaped furrow and sprinkle all the seeds into it. And then just go down with the flat side of your hoe, gently tamping down the furrow so maybe only a 1/4 inch of dirt gets in there, and then sprinkle it with water and keep it wet every day until the seeds germinate. And that's it.